Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide all Facebook photos at once. And here's how it is done. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, access your settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Activity Log from the menu. In the Activity Log, scroll again until you find your Facebook activity and tap on it. Select Post and then click on Manage Post. From here, use the filters option to categorize your post. Select categories and choose photos and videos. This will display all the photos you have posted on Facebook, along with other content like posts and check-ins. Go through the list and check the photos you want to hide. Once selected, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then choose Change Audience. Set the audience to Only Me, making the photos visible only to you. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to remove the photos entirely, you can choose to archive them or move them into the trash. That is everything you need to know about how to hide all Facebook photos at once. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.